I must thank all the 31 foreign speakers, 11 honorable judges, and all other Indian speakers, apart from all the delegates who came from all across the globe, all industry experts, claim consultants, engineers, architects, quantity surveyors, lawyers. It has been great these 2.5 days. I must thank once again all of you.
This conference is most related with the construction and construction industry's legal issues regarding arbitration. That is also very important thing. I understand the problems of the industry. Today the working capital is very big problem in the construction industry, and that's the reason that we need to take the decisions on arbitration, which is very important for the country. You are taking and formulating the policy and thinking in a transparent way to resolve this issue is really a great thing for the country. I am giving my all best wishes to all of you with your whatever the policy, whatever the suggestions and recommendations which the conference is going to give me. Definitely on the basis of that we will resolve the issue and we will formulate the policy by which is helpful for the country.
This is a very timely event which is taking place, construction law and arbitration. My personal view is that these disputes pertaining to construction activities should be resolved amicably through the process of mediation rather than litigation or arbitration.
Korea and Korean parties are some of the largest and most frequent users of international arbitration. I've personally been involved in a number of cases where there's been an Indian nexus to the arbitration, not necessarily cases that are seated in India, but where there's an important component involving India, and I think that will continue to grow.
Construction and engineering industry in the United Kingdom has undergone rapid changes in the last 20 years. We've moved away from litigation and arbitration to adjudication, and it's quite exciting how it's also been taken up globally.
International construction arbitration in the United Kingdom, however, is flourishing. We have very significant construction arbitrations in London under the rules of the LCIA, the ICC. We see a lot of projects coming out of the Middle East and India.
From the U.S. perspective, construction law follows mainly the law of contract, and there's much deference given to the parties' contractual selections with some limitations.
Singapore, we have the adjudication regime, and adjudication is a fast-track method of resolving your construction disputes. So you find quite a number of construction disputes are going through the process of adjudication.
I think in the Indian context, one will have to work with government to see how government can come on board to mediate dispute resolution. If it does, well, that's a major step, and you'll find infrastructure project disputes getting resolved.
Yes, and building on that, actually, the Singapore government has also just started the Singapore Construction Mediation Centre.
Yes.
Which is yet another instance of how important it is for government to get involved.
I consider this conference to be a useful forum for the fruitful interchange of views, how to resolve problems and how to avoid the disputes altogether. The legal system within London is fully accommodating of arbitration, whether in terms of law firms, in terms of experts, in counsel.
Overall, it was an excellent experience. I do not at all regret that I came here to the country. I think I would do it again, and I hope there will be further conferences organized here in Delhi or in other cities in India.
In the last 3 days of this conference as a counsel and as an arbitrator, hearing from experts, from quantum and relay experts, also from industry experts, legal experts, it has been a very interesting experience. We have deliberated upon various issues, and I am sure all the deliberations will be useful to everybody who has come here and attended the conference.
Given that in the international arbitration space, construction infrastructure arbitrations constitute almost more than 50% arbitrations, I think HCL is doing a great job to at least get all the stakeholders to discuss different topics.
I'm very much happy about the event, and I think it's a great opportunity for everyone to meet and greet people, and excellent place for networking, and I think it is a great future for arbitration in India.
The whole SCL conference has been fantastic. We met fantastic people. I think there's a huge future here for arbitration, and I really hope that as a company, BlackRock Expert Services can help assist, help develop and help you in your industry.
I'd like to congratulate the organisers for this conference. It's been a fantastic couple of days. We've learned a huge amount about the market here in India. We've recently opened an office in Singapore. We're very interested in doing more work in India, and we hope we can assist wherever possible.